How you doing, people? Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a rigid 5-inch random orbit sander with air guard technology. If you register your sander online, you can have a lifetime service agreement with them. But that's what I like about this. Let's see. On the back it says air guard dust collection, 90% dust collection. This has a variable speed dial for maximum control of different applications. Permanent magnet motor maintains constant speed and power under load. We'll see how that works. Hook and loop backing pad. It's like a Velcro type of thing. Onboard vac adapter. Fits standard 1 1/4, 2.5 hoses for cleaner, virtually dust-free work environment. Through body sealed slide switch for reliability and ease of use. Soft start and brake pad for a gouge-free workpiece. I guess if you it'll start slow on you. Quick release dust bag for quick and easy bag removal. Okay, the specifications on it: input 120 volts, 3 amps. No load speeds 7,000 to 12,000 OPM. Orbit diameter 3/32 of an inch. Pad size 5 inches. Total weight 3.5 pounds. And with that said, let's just open it up, see what's in there. I have not opened this up yet. It says do not return to store. Let's see what's in the box. I got like a canvas type of bag here. A zipper on here. They give you an 80 grit sandpaper. Got your operator's manual. I don't know if you can see that. Operator's manual. Half of it's in foreign, half of it's in English. This thing was made in China. Lifetime service agreement. Non-precedented protection covers all defects in workmanship and materials, normal wear items, and lifetime of original registered tool owner. So as long as you register this online, you know, if anything goes wrong with it, they said you probably just throw it out, and they'll send you a gift certificate in the mail to the value of the unit, and you go buy a new one. What else is in here? Nothing else in here but the actual sander itself. Has a little Velcro to keep your. This looks like a nice heavy gauge. I'm not sure what this is. This could be some type of fuse or something, but it says do not remove. Yeah, nice heavy cord here. Go ahead and take a look at the unit itself. Yeah, it's just a nice little bag. Put it in. And you got on the side here, you have a little dial, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, speed dial. Turn it up, turn it down, turn it off. You hit this, get these little switches on and off. It's nice and comfortable. nice and rubber cushioned up here. Not sure how this comes off, but turn it counterclockwise. The air catcher pops right off. All it is a spring and a cloth bag. There's no actual filter except for the cloth itself, but yeah, that'll still work, you know. And you could hook up your standard vacuum hose on here. Pretty basic. I mean, it's a sander. Alright, nice hook and loop design with 1, 2, 8 holes for the vacuum. And well, let me plug it in and see how it works. Maybe you can hear how it sounds. I can plug it in real quick. Left it on. What a goof. Alright. Let's take this glass off. This is wood here. This is it's got like a clothy material on here that sticks to this hook and loop design that they have. Yeah, it sticks on there pretty good. Let's test it out. Turn it down to 1. Notice it starts slowly as you turn it on. But, you know, it's lightweight. I like it. And I did catch a little dust already. I barely even did anything. But that's the unboxing of the rigid 5-inch random orbit sander with a lifetime warranty if you register it online. Thanks for watching.